Welcome to the YouTube channel Academic Mind. Our festivals. Let's learn the festivals in Sri Lanka while learning simple present tense and some prepositions. Sri Lanka is a multi-ethnic and multi-religious country. What does multi-ethnic country mean? The country where there are many nationalities, we call it a multi-ethnic country. For example, there are four main nationalities in Sri Lanka: Sinhalese, Tamils, Muslims, Burghers. Live in our country. They follow four different religions. Because of this, Sri Lanka is called a multi-religious country. Sri Lankans celebrate lots of festivals. Some are national festivals and some are cultural and religious festivals. Sri Lankans like to celebrate festivals because they spread love and joy. Can you identify the tense of these sentences? They are given in simple present tense. What is the verb in the first sentence? The simple present tense be verb is has used there. In simple present tense, the verb is placed in singular form when the subject is singular. So, in the first sentence, the subject Sri Lanka is in singular form and the verb is also in singular form. What is the verb in the second sentence? The verb is celebrate. It is an action verb. The verb celebrate is in plural form because the subject is also in plural form. When the subject is in plural form, the verb also will be placed in plural form in simple present tense. Here are some famous festivals celebrated in Sri Lanka. See how simple present tense is used to talk about these festivals. Sinhalese and Tamils celebrate Sinhala and Tamil New Year. It is in April. Tamils celebrate Deepavali festival. Deepavali is in October or in November. Buddhists celebrate Vesak. Vesak is in May. Christians celebrate Christmas. It is in December. Muslims celebrate Ramazan. Ramazan is in May. Read the sentences given in simple present tense with me. Sinhala and Tamil New Year is in April. Vesak is in May. Deepavali is in October or in November. Ramazan is in May. Christmas is in December. Here the word in is highlighted in all the sentences. The word in is a preposition. The preposition in can be used before a name of a month. Let's learn some more prepositions. Look at the pictures. Where is the dog in the first picture? The dog is on the box. It is sitting on a surface. So we can use the preposition on to indicate something there on a surface. Where is the dog in the second picture? It is in the box. When something is inside a particular thing, we use the preposition in. In the third picture, where you can see the dog, it is in front of the box. Where is the dog in the fourth picture? It is behind the box. Can you tell me where's the dog in the fifth picture? The dog is next to box. Look at the last picture. Where is the dog? The dog is under the box. On, in front of, behind, next to, under. All these are prepositions. Prepositions are the words that link a noun, pronoun with another word in the sentence. Through this video, you learnt about festivals, the simple present tense, the usage of preposition in, and some more prepositions. Now you can click the link in the description and do the exercise. Submit your answers to us. Don't forget to like, comment, share the video. Do subscribe for new updates. Thank you.